The KTM RC8C is a purpose-built, track-only superbike designed for riders who demand uncompromising performance without the restrictions of road regulations. Unlike street-legal sport bikes adapted for the track, the RC8C is engineered from the ground up as a race machine, offering a pure, lightweight, and focused riding experience. Developed in collaboration with Kramer Motorcycles, it reflects KTM's racing pedigree in MotoGP and other competitive series. Powering the RC8C is a 889cc parallel twin engine, derived from KTM's 890 Duke R, tuned for peak performance in a track environment. It produces around 135 horsepower and delivers strong linear torque throughout the rev range. The engine is known for its responsiveness and smooth power delivery, making it ideal for rapid corner exits and precise throttle control. Paired with a race-spec Akrapovic exhaust and a performance airbox, the engine's sound is sharp and aggressive, contributing to the visceral riding experience. What makes the RC8C stand out is its ultra-lightweight design. With a dry weight of just around 140 kilograms, it offers an exceptional power-to-weight ratio. The frame is a hand-built steel trellis unit, optimized for rigidity and feedback. High-end components such as fully adjustable WP Apex Pro suspension, Brembo Stylema brakes, and race-spec electronics ensure that every element of the bike serves a purpose on the circuit. The bodywork is made entirely of carbon-reinforced fiberglass, inspired by KTM's RC16 MotoGP bike. Aerodynamics are finely tuned, including winglets that provide downforce at high speeds, improving stability during acceleration and braking. The bike also comes with slick tires, race-ready brakes, and minimal electronics focused on rider assistance rather than interference. Electronics include data logging capability, race traction control, and adjustable engine braking. The full-color race dash provides detailed telemetry for riders and teams to analyze performance and make precise setup changes. The ergonomics are race-focused, with adjustable rear sets and clip-ons to fit different rider preferences and body types. The KTM RC8C is produced in extremely limited numbers, typically in batches of 100 to 200 units per release, making it highly exclusive. The price for the RC8C is generally around $39,000 to $41,000 USD, depending on the configuration and availability. Its rarity, performance, and close connection to MotoGP technology make it a prized machine for serious track enthusiasts and collectors who seek raw, undiluted speed and control.